This video will guide you step by step on how to perform organoid staining. Next, we will demonstrate the immunofluorescence staining workflow for fixed organoid sections, including permeabilization, blocking antibody incubations, DAPI counterstaining, and mounting. Dry slice at 50 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes for adhesion if the slice is cryopreserved. Add 100 microliters 4% PFA. Stand 15 minutes. Avoid contact inhalation. Aspirate 4% PFA. Wash 3 times with DPBS without calcium ions, magnesium ions, 5 minutes each. Add 100 microliters, 0.5% Triton X100 and 2% BSA. Incubate 60 minutes at room temperature. Keep samples submerged. Avoid drying. Dilute primary antibody in 0.1% Triton X100 plus 2% BSA. Remove the blocking solution and add the primary antibody, covering the surface of the organoid slices. Incubate 12 hours at 4 degrees Celsius, protected from light. Remove primary antibody. Wash 3 times DPBS without calcium ions, magnesium ions, 10 minutes each, light protected. Add secondary antibody diluted in DPBS without calcium ions, magnesium ions. Incubate 2 hours at room temperature, light protected, no drying. Aspirate secondary antibody after incubation. Wash 3 times DPBS without calcium ions, magnesium ions, 5 minutes each, light protected. Add DAPI diluted in DPBS without calcium ions, magnesium ions. Incubate 10 minutes at room temperature, light protected. Remove DAPI after incubation. Wash 3 times DPBS without calcium ions, magnesium ions, 5 minutes each, light protected. Remove excess liquid. Add mounting medium, 3 drops to cover the slides. Apply cover slip, air dry, then image or store at -20 degrees Celsius, light protected. Staining complete. Sections ready for structure imaging and marker identification. Thanks for watching. Explore more organoid solutions with Acro.